This is Roderick O. Mariano and welcome to my vlog. Proud Subano ng Barangay Malayal. Hello guys, good
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay, so just bring your, anong tawag dyan? Yung hook. Okay, so pwede rin kayo pwede rin kayo mag spear fishing. Okay, so mag diving. Okay, so ayan. Maraming magagawa dito na activity, guys. Okay, so ayan. wave naman. Okay, so ito guys, ibang portion to ng beach resort na ito. Okay, so ayan guys, ang ganda. At ayan. So, ayan. So, mag-e-enjoy ka sa ingay ng alon ng tubig ng dagat. Okay, so ayan. So, dito banda guys is mabuhangin siya. Brown. Okay, yung color ng buhangin. Okay, so ayan. There. Ganda, di ba? So, ano pang inaantay nyo guys? Pumunta na kayo dito sa Pandan. Okay, so ayan, there. Oh my God! Wow!
Wow.
Okay, so ayan. Ano ang nag-encourage sa'yo para pumunta dito sa Pandan?
This is actually unplanned. Nag-road trip lang kami going to municipality of Cebu. Pero out of curiosity, bumaba kami dito kasi nakakaganda ng rock formation. Ang kasama ko pala ang assistant manager ng ML. Labuan Branch.
Okay.
Kung gusto nyo, come and visit this place. Napakaganda. Very relaxing.
Okay, so ayan. So thank you. Anong pangalan ulit?
I'm Frankie Jr., the branch manager of ML Labuan Branch.
Okay, thank you po.
I like pandan fish, Munada Piedra.
Okay, so ayan guys. Naway nagustuhan nyo ang aking video sa araw na ito. Okay, so ayan. So ulitin ko kung gusto nyong pumunta dito sa Pandan Beach ng Barangay Paniran, Municipality of Cebu, Zamboanga del Norte. Mag-e-enjoy kayo at hindi nyo malilimutan sa tanang buhay nyo. Okay, so ayan. So thank you so much once again guys. Ito po si Roderick O. Mariano, your proud Subano ng Barangay Malayal na nagsasabi always masaya, maganda ang buhay pag meron tayong hanap buhay. Please don't ano ba ta? Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Roderick O. Mariano, Roderick O. Mariano 2 and Didic O. Mariano. Thank you so much. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat and Happy New Year.